Dipti Chadda.
Hi, I'm Jatin.
And where do you stay?
We stay in Malad.
And how old is your child?
He's 3 now.
Okay, so what kind of activities were you looking out for him?
See, what we need at this moment is like something constructive, fun elements should be there in the activities, and that is where these guys came in, and they really helped us, and they actually told us what activities is apt for this age. So it's quite good.
Yeah, and whenever we thought of like, a party for Vihan, I mean, it's been from like 2 years now, he's fond of this McQueen. So we wanted someone who can give us, as per our expectations, that what exactly you want for McQueen.
Right.
And we went through went to the website, then came across My City for Kids. Then we got in touch with K for Kids. Naveen came and met us up. And a full followed. So they both are a wonderful team. And I mean, we have brains from them every day and night. We have been back of their lives. ऐसे चाहिए, वैसे चाहिए. I mean, we wanted like this, we wanted like that. But hats off, everything is done really well, very well organized. And I mean, we wanted events like, whatever we planned today, like some car related games or, everything has to be in the theme. The menu also has to be in the car theme. So I think they've done it very well. The decor is nice. We have got good reviews from all the parents who have gone from the party now. So overall, it's a wonderful experience.
So what other options did you consider apart from K for Kids?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I mean, we had 1 or 2 options in mind. But we settled down for K for Kids because the best part is these guys are very flexible and they are doing it as per what we want. Like the other event guys, they were like, they wanted to do it more like the way they want.
It's more professional, but sometimes in professional that personal touch goes away. So basically we were not very comfortable with the whole idea. Okay, we wanted a theme, but definitely as she's saying, she's planning something from last 2 years, so she wanna incorporate a lot of things. So she definitely wanted some of her own input. So at that time, these guys came in and she liked the way they responded, and definitely we are here today.
And the best part was they were like on for it, I think 24/7. I used to message them at late night also serve करके कि ये कुछ है. So फटाफट response भी आ जाता था, ठीक है मैडम हो जाएगा. So really nice. And yeah.
So I think finally could you just highlight 2 good things about K for Kids?
2 good things about K for Kids. First,
The good thing will be actually shaping what we have thought of. So that's something like getting connected is very important. So this is what she wanted, and they basically got her the same thing. So that way it was really good.
And number 2 is their time management. I mean, the everything is managed in time. I think this is the first ever event since we are also from the management field. We see, something or the other last minute कुछ ना कुछ रह जाता है, and then you're on somebody's head कि this is not happened, that is not happened. Luckily, this time nothing is of that sort. Everything was very well organized in time and no chaos. So it's a wonderful experience.
Okay. Would you have any suggestions for K for Kids?
What suggestions? I've said so many goody things which are really true. What suggestions we can give for? Yes, probably maybe what do you say? More ideas in terms of what more better themes could be for boys, because this year I've for K for Kids. Next year also I'll be going with them only. I've told them. So my suggestions are they can come up with more better ideas, like more better themes.
I think the only thing is like little bit of time management. That's it. Which like time management, I'm not talking in terms of the preparation. I'm talking about within the event, we have to really step down somewhere that we have to we should not exceed the allocated time. So I think that is it. Apart from that, there is no issue.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend K for Kids to other parents?
I think 5.
Yeah, 5. I have already recommended them. And most of the moms, as soon as they've received the invites also, they have got in touch with us. Who's done it, who's doing it. So it's good.
So we're quite happy. There is nothing like a concern or a calm about that particular thing. It's completely satisfactory, I can say.
Sure. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.